It's because they misappropriate government funds and spend their food stamps on crab legs and steak luxury foods. It's pretty ironic in this day, huh? Oh, but looky here. Pete Hegseth reportedly blew billions of dollars on shellfish, steak, fruit baskets, and furniture all in 1 month. So he deserves lobster tails and leather recliners. And black people don't deserve nothing with their food stamps. Some of you might be asking, but why is this unique? They always misappropriating funds in the military. Well, new Pentagon budget reports that Pete Hegseth spent $93 billion in 1 month, making it the highest monthly expense since 2008. Damn, Obama. Now, I'm pretty sure there's studies that show that crab legs raise the morale of people going to war, but I also know it raised morale of people in poverty too. The budget included that $93 billion, $2 million spent on Alaskan king crab.
This guy doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. And I'm just going to give you some numbers so you can have a ballpark idea, and it'll expose how stupid what this man is saying is. So we have about 1.34 million current active military personnel. Now I'll start with steak and then I'll go to lobster. All right, let's start with steak. So you've got 16 ounces in a pound. You've got 12 ounces, that is 0.75 pounds. Now the wholesale cost is $12 per pound. So average steak is 12 ounces. You're looking at $12 a pound. You times those two by each other, you get $9 per steak. Now let's go down a little bit. Twice in 1 month, 1.34 million personnel times 2 steaks times $9. That's roughly $24 million. Now let's look at lobster. So cold water tails, you're looking at an average between $23 to $25 per pound. So since they're probably using cold water, let's just skip past warm water. Okay, so let's use $24 per pound, and you can pause to read all of this if you want. Let's use about a 5-ounce portion per tail. That gives you, if you go down cost per tail, you're looking at $7.50. Now, if you look at the bottom, this comes out to roughly $20.1 million to give our troops lobster tail twice per month. Cut it in half for once per month.
So what's the difference between information and content? Information answers questions and content stimulates responses.